What is up everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix heating and overheating issue in Note 50X. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.